Most contractors waste months switching between tools that don't actually fit their workflow. And here's the truth no one tells you. The best construction management software is not one size fits all. It depends entirely on how you run your projects. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 construction management software options in 2026, what each one is best at, and exactly who should use them so you don't waste time or money choosing the wrong system. Let's get straight into it. First, why does this even matter? Construction projects involve scheduling, budgeting, communication, and documentation, all at the same time. If your system is weak, delays pile up, costs increase, and communication breaks down. Now here's where it gets interesting. The right software doesn't just organize your work, it actually improves profit margins by reducing mistakes and wasted time. Let's start with number 1. Buildertrend. Buildertrend is one of the most complete construction management platforms in 2026. It handles scheduling, budgeting, client communication, change orders, and job tracking in one system. A contractor, like Alex managing multiple home renovations, can see every project in one dashboard. That level of control is powerful. But here's the problem. It comes with complexity. Setup takes time, and teams must stay consistent for it to work properly. Now number 2. JobTreed. JobTreed is known for simplicity and modern design. It helps contractors manage projects, budgets, and communication without feeling overwhelming. A contractor like Jake running growing residential jobs can get started quickly and stay organized without heavy training. Now, here's where it gets interesting. JobTreed is easier, but slightly less deep than enterprise-level systems. Number 3. CoConstruct. CoConstruct is built for custom home builders and remodelers who need detailed budgeting and client selections. A builder like John working on custom homes can track allowances, selections, and job costing with precision. But here's the catch. It requires strict structure. If your workflow is messy, it becomes harder to manage. Number 4. Jobber. Jobber is designed for service-based contractors like HVAC, plumbing, landscaping, and cleaning businesses. It focuses on scheduling, invoicing, and quick job management. A contractor like Jake doing fast turnaround jobs can schedule work, send invoices, and manage customers in minutes. Now here's the problem. It is not built for large, multi-phase construction projects. And finally, number 5. Procore. Procore is the most powerful platform on this list. It is designed for large commercial construction projects with complex coordination needs. It includes advanced features like RFIs, submittals, safety tracking, and deep project reporting. A large contractor managing multi-million-dollar builds will benefit from this level of control. But here's where it gets interesting. Procore is not for small teams. It requires training, structure, and a significant budget. Now let's compare them quickly in simple terms. If you want all-in-one residential construction management, Buildertrend is strong. If you want simplicity and speed, JobTreed or Jobber work better. If you focus on custom home building, CoConstruct stands out. And if you operate at enterprise commercial scale, Procore is the leader. Now here's the key insight most people miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team actually uses every day without friction. So if your team avoids the system, even the best software becomes useless. Now let's wrap this up clearly. In 2026, construction management software is not just about organization. It is about control, communication, and profitability. Buildertrend and Procore offer depth. JobTreed and Jobber offer speed and simplicity. CoConstruct offers precision for custom builds. To summarize, choose based on your business size, not popularity. Small teams need simplicity. Growing contractors need balance. Large companies need depth and control. If this ranking helps you understand your options, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what software you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.